Hey there. So my PT Cruiser, the green machine, has sat for over a year while I did a transmission and motor rebuild and swap. The Once I got started it and drove it for the first time, the vacuum and the boost pressures were both low and irregular. In addition to that, I discovered that one of the brake pistons had seized, and even after doing all four brake caliper rebuild, the brakes were still not performing like they used to, and the pedal was spongy, and it just wasn't safe, especially after upgrading the motor like I did. I really want the brakes to be reliable because I want that reliability and nice tight brakes, nothing spongy, nothing that I'd worry about when driving. I'll now be replacing both the master cylinder and the brake booster. So let's begin by bleeding the master cylinder. This is a brand new one that I purchased. The brake booster will be a rebuilt one since you can't really get a brand new one. I did not capture the master cylinder and booster removal process It's literally the reversal of installation. So I hope you'll be able to extrapolate from that and follow that process if you need. All there is to it is the 4 tube nuts that secure the brake lines to the master cylinder. I say 4 because mine is a non-ABS PT, so all 4 brake lines go to the master cylinder. If you have an ABS, anti-lock brake system, PT Cruiser, then you will only have 2 brake lines that go to the master cylinder, because those 2 then go to the integrated control unit, the ICU for the anti-lock brake system, where it then handles all the pressure and controlling the anti-lock system and sending the 4 brake lines to the calipers or the 4 brakes. So you may have 2 brake lines if you're anti-lock brake system equipped, or 4 if you're not. So there's those 2 or 4, 2 nuts that secure the master cylinder to the brake booster, 4 nuts that secure the brake booster to the firewall, and then 1 clip that secure the brake pedal itself on the interior to the brake booster. So all in all, and this is if it's non-anti-lock brake system, 10 nuts and 1 clip. It's really not that difficult. The hardest part is really just getting the units out from the engine compartment, because it's a tight space. On that note, I didn't get this on video, but I did remove the battery, the cold air intake hoses, including the one that on this car goes down to the turbocharger. Got that all out of the way, and also unbolted the power distribution center from its bracket and remove the bracket itself. That will let you get the power distribution center out of the way so that you can actually fit out the master cylinder and the brake booster. You really want to get all those things out of the way. It just makes it so much easier. Give yourself as much room as you can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it informational. Stay tuned on the channel. I'll be adding some more videos with final results of the Green Machine, giving some getting some driving in there, some ride-alongs, and eventually some other projects that I got coming up. Slant 6 225 and a 1983 B150, my 1997 B1500 van with a 318 that I want to upgrade to a 390 stroker kit, and some other fuel injection intake manifold stuff up on top, some new heads and whatnot. And lastly will be the 4.7 liter V8 in my 2003 Durango, rebuilding that motor, and I think we'll be doing a supercharger on that. Thank you so much. See y'all soon.